while we connect your call. Connect your call.
Thank you for calling support. How may I help
Thank you
you?
for calling support. This call is being recorded. Please wait while we connect you to the next available agent.
Thank you for calling. How may I help you? Thank you for dialing support. Even Nick, how may I help you?
Thank you for calling my.
How may I help you?
Thank you for calling support. My name is Alex.
I'm not getting your voice. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me? Hello. Thanks for calling support. This
Can you
is
hear me, sir?
Harry. How can I help
Yes,
you?
I'm here. Can you hear me?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Hello. Yes.
Wait while we connect your call. We connect your call.
Thank you for calling support.
Thank you
This
for
call is being recorded. Please wait while we connect you to the next available agent.
My name is Alex.
Christy. How may I help you? Thank you for calling Microsoft. How may I help you? Thank you for calling Microsoft. How may I help you? Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Prank.
Am I audible to you? Wow, prank calls.
Hello.
Microsoft, you're talking to Eva. How may I assist you today?
God, cross connection was prank call. Okay.
Welcome to Microsoft. James Wilson. How may I help you, ma'am?
Don't take the calls. It's all bullshit.
Calling Microsoft support. This is Justin. How can I help you?
Everyone's saying thank you for calling
Thanks.
Microsoft. Very nice. It's a cross connection. Dude.
Hello.
Thank you for calling Microsoft. Speaking to Richard.
Cross connection.
Can I help you today?
Hello.
Thank you for calling support. Alice Parker. This is can I help you?
Alice, your voice is very nice.
Wait while we connect your call.
Hello.
Hello.
Please stay on the line. Please stay on the line. Thank you for calling support. Thank you for calling support.
Hello.
Please wait while we connect you to the next available agent.
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Thank you for calling customer service. My name is Sean.
Thanks for calling.
How may I help you?
Help you?
Thank you for calling.
While we connect your call.
Hello. Thank you for calling. How may I help you?
Thank you for calling in Microsoft. How can I help you?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah. So there's so
Thank you for calling customer support. My name is Sean. How can I help you?
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Thank you for calling Microsoft. Yes, I can hear you, ma'am.
Hello.
Sir, don't you have a time rather than wasting on the air?
Who is this?
Why are you wasting your time and other people's like time as well?
So are you on two calls?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. You can hang up the call because
Hello?
it's a cross connection, dude.
Please try your call again.
What
There's
can I
not
do
a
for
cross
you?
connection. What actually he's trying to do, he's trying to call a
Your
lot of
call did not go
centers.
through. Please try your
That's
call
what he's
again.
trying to do.
Oh, 8, 8.
Dude, you need to grow up.
You should. It's funny. अरे इस वाले
Surya bhai,
You should.
कॉल बैक नहीं हो रही इस पे.
और द सेंटर को कनेक्ट कर रखा है इसमें.
6 नंबर मेरे को डायरेक्ट मैसेज कर.
हेलो हेलो सुनो सुनो सुनो
मैम आप अपना
और
नंबर
कौन
मैसेज
सा?
कर दो.
पर ये हो ही नहीं रही. I'll do. Let me. What is the name?
अरे हो जाएगी महिपालपुर है ना महिपालपुर.
यार ये मेरे बच्चे हैं ना.
प्रैंक है, प्रैंक कॉल है.
सारे एक भी है ना कॉल को है ना खराब करेगा सारे.
जी, सब कॉल्स खराब करेगा.
Hello, yes, dear, this side, Gene Hooks. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Yes,
How
we
are
just
you?
received an email directly from the customer service of the. Let me check. The password between.
Your call did not go through. Please try
I'm
your
calling
call
you
again.
from the reasons back.
Oh, 8, 8.
T.
Your call did not go through. Please try your call again. Oh, 8, 8.
T. Wait for a minute, sir. I'm checking your email, which I received directly from the customer service.
Your call did not go through. Please try your call again.